नहीं है मॉनसून के लिए, वो पॉटहोल्स को फिल करने के लिए emergency squads honi chahiye so that there is no traffic jams and the traffic moves smoothly. This hasn't been taken care for all these years, sir, right from the formation of Telangana. I hope that this would be taken care, sir. Sir, and moreover, sir, when I talk about the traffic, sir, the most important thing which we need to understand and know that only road widening, flyovers will not solve the traffic congestion problems. So we need to look into different aspects. The major and most important thing is that here, if we have to see, the public mode of transport is very weak. When I say public mode of transport, that is RTC, that is MMTS, that is metro train. But when we see that, I was really surprised, sir. Before the formation of Telangana state, the Hyderabad city had more than 4,000 buses. More than 4,000 buses. And now today we have less than 2,000 buses. और फिर आप खवातीन के लिए भी फ्री कर दिए हैं. So this is the reason why the cars are increasing, the two-wheelers are increasing, and the traffic is getting jammed. Sir, we need to have a meeting of experts, call some experts to look into this problem. Sir, मैं कहूँगा कि देखिए, right now the investments have stopped coming to Bangalore. The reason is that traffic. From one part to another part, just to reach, it's become a horrible situation. Bangaloreans are worried. That's why, no IT company, no one wants to go and invest in Bangalore. And now, we shouldn't face the same situation where people come and say, no, we don't want to go to Hyderabad because there is an infrastructure collapse. Traffic jams. Whenever downpour happens, we have all roads blocked. Roads are not being maintained. We need to look into this, sir. We have to look into this, sir. Sir, as the premier civic body of Telangana state capital, GHMC is spread over 625 square kilometers area with over 1 crore inhabitants at present. However, for many areas now, the GHMC has been facing resource crunch since the government grants and compensation have been far less than what it has been expected from the government, sir. The result is that the GHMC actual budgetary expenditure have been hovering around rupees 4,000 crore in the last few years, as there has been huge shortfall in realizing the ambitious revenue targets, including the grants from the state government. Since 2018 and 19, the GHMC has been raising funds to meet its capital expenditure requirements. The GHMC has been virtually left to take care of itself, and it has to raise funds through municipal bonds and loans and financing and SRDP and other capital works. Thus, the GHMC is taking time to complete the construction of flyovers, road widening works, skyways, footover bridges, model market, Charminar Pedestrian project, and the other developmental works in the core city area of Hyderabad and Secunderabad due to resource crunch, sir. Sir, when I talk about this, sir, however, I think I need to come on record and thank the government and also Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Revant Reddy Saab for releasing 200 crores for the road widening of whole city, sir. I thank him very much for releasing that fund, sir. He has been kind enough in releasing that fund. So the 200 crores will be used and utilized only for the old proposed works, sir, which already where the roads were widened and the checks were not issued. But there are many pending roads which needs to be widened in old city, sir. So I hope that the government would release more 300 crores for the road widening so that the old city also comes up on par with new cities, sir. Old city, the real pearl city, I would say. Pearl city, the real city. The old city has been neglected, sir. I hope that this would be taken care. At the same time,